After surviving a shipwreck, Alex found himself on a deserted island where he discovered the power of forest bathing. This Japanese practice, known as Shinrin-yoku, involves immersing oneself in nature to reduce stress and boost immunity. Alex noticed his anxiety fading as he spent time among the trees, breathing in phytoncides, natural oils released by plants. These compounds, scientifically proven to enhance natural killer cell activity, helped Alex feel more resilient and connected to the world around him. By embracing this simple yet profound practice, Alex not only survived but thrived, finding peace and health and harmony with nature.